welcome to Vasul Tarot Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. One important thing, guys, is that if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. The second most important thing, guys, is that if you want to book 10 days and 15 days workshop related to career, relationship, situationship, 10 days workshop and 15 days workshop on tarot learning and numerology. The details are given in the description box below. Okay, guys, and kindly help us to cross 1000 subscribers. Okay, we are really working hard to cross 1000 subscribers, guys. Okay, and if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me, you can definitely. Okay. Sagittarius. Wow. Wow. So many cards popped up. Okay, guys, so I think you are Sagittarius, you are moving forward. Okay, you are moving forward either towards your love life or else away from your love life, Sagittarius. Okay, so I'll see that, I'll clarify it, but yeah, for now it is like that. See, Sagittarius, if you are dealing with a third party situation, you are no more giving a fuck about it. You are moving away from this third party situation. Okay, you are moving towards the wish fulfillment that makes you happy, that really makes you, gives you an opportunity to be happy within yourself. Okay, just the way you are. So you are moving towards your wish fulfillment. Okay, you are gaining a lot of clarity, Sagittarius, when it comes to a new beginning with a person or a connection. Okay, yes, you are really looking forward towards an opportunity, towards build up an opportunity when it comes to your home life or married life. Okay, so yeah, you are ready to take an action towards this connection, towards this marriage. Okay, you are really working hard, you have a grounded energy, and now you are ready to understand the situation when it comes to our married life. Okay, so yes, I just want to clarify a few. Yeah, so yeah, there were some hidden secrets when it comes to a particular person or a relationship or a connection. So you have a fearful energy, or some sort of secrets are coming out. Okay, some sort of secrets are coming out. Okay, so yeah, you are really confused whether to you about a third party situation. You are really confused. There are a lot of fights going on internally within yourself, between your head and mind. Okay, you have a lot of confused energy, sneaky behaviors, manipulation is going on definitely with this third party situation. Okay, you want to move forward when it comes to your financial abundance, like you just want to take care of yourself, your stability, your finances. Okay, you don't want to give a shit about it anymore. Okay, so yeah, you are really thinking, contemplating, rejuvenating, meditating right now when it comes to a new beginning into your life. You want to move forward, and you are no more ready to shit with a deal anymore. Like you are no more ready to deal with any more shit into your life. Okay, so yeah, okay, cards are popping out like anything, and you are ready to cut off someone or something. Okay, you are releasing all this stuck up energy. You are ready to move forward into your life, shine bright into your life. But yeah, you are releasing all this stuck up energy, and you are gaining a clarity to cut off a person. Okay, or a connection. Okay, might be this third party situation, or else your karmic partner, whosoever it is right now into a situation, you will better know. Okay, so yeah, you are ready to move forward into your life, and you are ready to take a risk into your life. Okay, okay, You are ready to move forward into your life. You are ready to take an action now. Okay, you were guarding up yourself before, but now you are no more, because you are understanding the situation and you are ready to take an action, move forward into your life. You are ready for it. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so the past is coming back, or you are going towards a past person. Okay, this might involve a child as well. Okay, Sagittarius. So you are might be dealing with the past person, or past is trying to come back towards you, or you are trying to go towards this past person. Okay, any situation you can deal with. A karmic cycle is ending. Karmic cycle related to a third party situation is ending, and you want an happily ever after with this past person, I guess. Okay, and you are understanding a clarity when it comes to this person or this connection. Okay, before you were not ready to give a shit about this person, but now you are understanding the value of this person. Okay, so yeah, you are regaining your power back. Okay, and you are no more going to deal with toxic people, toxic situation, or toxic lifestyles. Okay, but yeah, you are really disappointed. You are, you know, you're really disappointed with something. Okay, about the situation, about this connection, whatever is happening into your life, some sort of situation is going on with you. Okay, so you will better know whatever I told you. Did it resonated? The past is trying to come back, the past is coming back, or you want to go back towards the past memories, past person. Okay, something is there related to past. Okay, and that will make a, and that will make an all that will make all the difference. Okay, so yeah. So Sagittarius, if you were juggling between two choices, to connection, to decision, mostly I think this is you who are into third party situation. Okay, so yeah. So if you were juggling between two choices, to connection, to decisions, you will be taking a decision, solid decision, and you will be moving forward. Okay, because here juggling card is also coming for you. Okay, a lot of politics are going on around you, within you. Okay, you just want to take a risk to move forward into your life. You just want to, you also feel like, I think you are very lazy, Sagittarius. Okay, I don't feel that you like to go to a vacation or something, but I also feel that right now you are feeling very lazy. Okay, nowadays, and some sort of politics might be going on. Disappointments are there within yourself or around you, and totality, like, you are trying to balance a situation, or maybe a connection, but you are unable to do so. Okay, so yeah, this is all about it. This is a particular situation you are dealing with, Sagittarius. Okay, but yeah, happily ever after is definitely there with your partner. If you are dealing with a third party situation, then karmic cycles are ending. Karmic partners will be coming, ending their relationship. Twin flame connections, if you were already married and it's separated, then you will be trying to reconcile. Okay, reconciliation will be taking place. And if there was a soulmate connection, then you won't be giving any try. Okay, so karmic cycles are ending, karmic partners will be ending their relationship, twin flames who are into separation will be reconciling, reuniting. Okay, so you will better know if you are dealing with your karmic partner or if you are dealing with your twin flame connection. Okay, so that's the issue. So yeah, kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Vasul Tarot Prediction, and kindly comment down below whether this resonated with you or not. Okay, bye Sagittarius. Okay, bye.